Chapter 22 is on humans and the environment. Chapter 22, Section 1, talks about some different layers of the planet. So, the atmosphere, which makes up all of the gases, including the ozone layer. The hydrosphere, which is when we are talking about water, which is about 70% of the Earth. The hydrosphere, when we're talk about, or the geosphere, when we refer to that, we're talking about the actual rock portion of the planet. And then when we refer to the biosphere, which we've mentioned before, this is the part of the Earth where life exists. So, both including part of the atmosphere and the actual Earth itself, whatever portions of that are able to actually contain life, that makes up the biosphere. Biodiversity, we've also discussed before, and is brought up again in this unit. It's the variety of life forms that are in an area. And species diversity is going to be a measure of that biodiversity. So the species richness, which is referring to how many different types of species are in an area, and then the species evenness, which is how many of each individuals of each of those species are there. So are they evenly distributed, or are there, only a couple of certain species and a lot of another, and so on. And then genetic diversity refers to the amount of variation that's in their actual genetic material, or their genes, of the members in a population. If you recall, the less genetic variety, the less chance you have of surviving in a changing environment.